Hello Junior 2, hope you're fine. Today in this video we are going to deal with some pages in our students book on Unit 3 that we are not going to deal inside the class, but we are going to deal with them in this video. Please open your books on page 33. In this page, we're going to speak about something called syllables. The syllable means that it's the part of the word. Maybe this word is of about one part, or maybe of two parts, maybe of three parts. Okay? Can you see in exercise 1? We have three words. We have farmer, carpenter, or mechanic. Farmer, we can divide it into two parts. Farmer. Let's clap our hands together. Farmer. How many syllables do we have here? Yes, excellent. 2. What about carpenter? Let's clap together. Carpenter. So how many syllables? Yes, they are 3. Carpenter. The next one, mechanic. How many syllables? Let's count them. Mechanic. How many syllables? Yes, 3. In exercise 2, he didn't divide them. He wants you to divide them. So what I want from you is that we want to make slashes between the different syllables. Let's count them together. The first word is engineer. Okay, engineer. How many syllables? 3, yes. N, E and the N, they are one syllable. G and I, another syllable. Near, the third syllable. Okay, so engineer, 3 syllables. Let's see architect. Architect. How many syllables? 3, yes. A and R, one syllable. CHI, the second one, and TECT are the third ones. Let's deal with doctor. How many syllables? Yes, 2. Doctor. Yes, DOC is a syllable and TOR is another syllable. Now, in the third exercise, I want you to match the syllables of each word. Yes, fisherman. Yes, the fish with ER and man. Fisherman. Match them. Next. Yes, journalist. Next. Yes, carpenter. Match the 3 parts together. On page 37 in your student's book, here we want to speak about the places in our town. Our town has lots of important places. Important means that we need them very much. The first place is the school. Let's read about it. I like my school. I learn a lot. I see my friends. I like my teachers. The second place that we are going to speak about is the hospital. This is the hospital. Doctors help sick people. Do you know what the meaning of sick? Yes, ill. The third place is the park. This is the park. We can play and have fun here. Next, we're going to speak about the supermarket. This is the supermarket. We can buy food. Next, we're going to speak about the farm. This is a farm. The farmer looks after animals. Do you know what the meaning of looks after? Looks after means he takes care of them. He grows food like the fruit and vegetables. He plants them and he grows them. Let's answer the questions on exercise 2 according to what we have read now. Question number 1. Who can you see at school? Yes, we can see friends and teachers. We can see friends and teachers. Number 2. Where do doctors work? Where do doctors work? Yes, they work in a hospital. They work in a hospital. Answer with me. Answer these questions with me. Write the answers down in your books. Number 3. What can you do in the park? Yes, you will say, we can play and have fun. We can play and have fun. Number 4. Why is the supermarket important? Why do we need the supermarket? Yes, so you will say, we can buy food. We can buy food. Number 5. What does the farmer look after? What does a farmer look after? Yes, it's here in this text. The farmer looks after animals. The farmer looks after animals. Think. What important places do you have in your town? What other important places? Yes, of course, we can have the cinema, we can have the police station, we can have the fire station, the library. Those are important places that we can have in our town. Now, let's deal with page 39 in your student's book. In this page, we have to know more about the jobs or the professions that we have in our society. We will understand more and more about jobs. Now, we have to guess, in each box, we have information and we have to guess the job. On top of this page, we have the jobs, the different jobs, and we are going to take from them and guess or write them in the boxes. What are the jobs that we have? We have concierge, farmer, construction worker, chef, doctor, mechanic, market seller, fisherman. We knew them before with our teachers inside the class. Okay, today we are going to know more about each job. In the first box, it is answered for you, but we are going to read it too. In my job, I work in a kitchen. It's hot. I sometimes work at night. I make food for people to enjoy. What am I? A chef. Yes. The box beside it. The second box, the one beside it. In my job, I look after animals. We said before, look after means to take care of them, to give them food and water, and also to take care of their health. I grow food for people to eat. What am I? Excellent. A farmer. A farmer. The next box. In my job, I help people who are sick. I can work for a long time. My job is difficult, but it's very important. What am I? Yes, excellent. A doctor. A doctor. The box beside it. In my job, I mend cars. Mend means fix them. If there is something wrong with them, I mend them or fix them. I mend cars and lorries. I help people if their car doesn't work. I like it. What am I? Yes, excellent. A mechanic. A mechanic. Next box. In my job, I make houses, offices, and other buildings. I wear a hard hat to protect my head. Like a helmet, something like a helmet, but it's not a helmet. It's a hard hat. What am I? Yes, excellent. A construction worker. He builds houses and offices and other buildings. Yes. So, a construction worker. Next box. In my job, I catch fish. I work on the sea or on the river. I sell fish for people to eat. What am I? Yes, a fisherman. A fisherman. Next. In my job, I help people in hotels. I help them to enjoy their holiday. Who works in a hotel? Yes, excellent. A concierge. A concierge. The last box. In my job, I sell food on the market. I sell fruit and vegetables. What am I? Yes, the market seller. Market seller. On page 40, we are going to deal with the items that we use in communication. The items or the means of technology that we use in our daily life. Let's see what are they. Let's read the words first and then we will write the words under each picture. Laptop. Laptop is computer that you can take with you anywhere. Cell phone. Cell phone. It's your mobile phone. Okay, we call it cell phone. Computer. Computer, we all know it, but it doesn't move from a place to another. You use wires to connect it to the electricity, but we don't move it from its place. Keyboard. Keyboard is a board where you have letters, numbers, and so on to use them or to use it to write on the computer. Printer. Printer is something that you use to print papers, print documents that you have on your computer or on your laptop. You're going to print them on papers. Tablet. It's like, it's not a computer and it's not a mobile phone or a cell phone. It's something in between. I think you all have tablets. So number 1 will be computer. Number 2, yes, it's a laptop. Number 3, keyboard. Number 4, cell phone. Number 5, tablet. Number 6, printer. Let's move to exercise 2 together. On exercise 2, we are going to read down or across and complete the puzzle. Can you see this puzzle? When you complete it, you will write each letter in a square. Number 1, you can use it to write on the computer. What is it? Keyboard. Yes, number 1, keyboard. You will write keyboard, each letter in a box or each letter in a square. Number 2, this is smaller than the laptop. You can work on it or watch movies. Smaller than the laptop. So what is it? Tablet. Yes, tablet. Number 2, tablet. Then number 4, all of them are down. Number 4, when you use this, you can work in different places. You can take it in many places. Yes, it's a laptop. Number 4, laptop. Let's move to the across section. Number 3, you use this to call people. You use this to call them. Hello? Yes, it's a cell phone. Number 6, you use this to, it's number 5, not 6. It's number 5, sorry. Okay, it's number 5. Correct the number, it's number 5. So number 5, you use this to print things. Yes, it's a printer. Now, this part you are going to answer it on your own. What technology, number 1, what technology do you use sometimes? Sometimes, not every day. You only use once every week, for example. Okay? The answers will vary. Each one of us is not like the other one. Okay? So you are going to write it on your own. Number 2, what technology do you use every day? 3, what technology do you have at home? If you are using it or if you are not using it, but you have it at home. Okay? Number 4, what technology do you have at school? What technology do you have at school? In the next page, we are going to know more about computers and why do we use computers. Let's read together. Lots of people use computers to do their jobs. With a computer, you can find out information, buy and sell things, and send emails to people. Information means new things to know. Or maybe you can buy and sell things. Do you know the applications? Maybe Jumia, maybe Souq.com, maybe Noon, and so on. Those are applications that you can use on the internet to buy and sell things. Okay, to buy things online and send emails like Yahoo, Hotmail, Gmail, and so on. They are using, can you see the next picture? They are using a computer to design a website. Website or it's the site that you can find on the internet. We are going to say design a website, not make a website. Be careful. It's design a website. Okay? Then, she is using a tablet to send emails. The next one, she's using a computer to find out information. She is going to use Google or something like that. She's going to search for information. Next, he's using a laptop to buy things. He wants things to his business, and he wants to buy them. The last one, as for the chef, he is using a tablet to look for recipes. Do you know what the meaning of recipes? Recipes means the way to make something or to cook something. Okay. Like for example, to put tomato sauce on the pasta, to make the pasta, the ingredients, how many spoons of salt, how much tomato sauce or tomato puree that you are going to use, and so on. This is called recipes. So the recipe is the description of how this meal is made or how this plate is made. Okay, let's answer the questions on exercise 2 together. You can use a tablet to emails. To what emails? Yes, to send emails. Number 2, you can buy and dot things with a computer. Buy what and what things? Yes, sell. You can buy and sell. Number 3, you can dot out information. Yes, find out. Find out. Find out means to search for this. Find out. Number 4, you can dot a website. What do we do to the website? Yes, excellent. Design a website. Design a website. Finally, hope you understood everything that we have dealt with in this video. Your homework will be in your activity book, pages 33, 37, 39, 40, and 41. Please answer them and show them to your teacher. Thank you very much, and goodbye.